Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your thumbnails files of Sony. So all I had to do is install the driver from Sony official site. The problem is Sony, I just checked, Sony Raw Driver. So look at that, Sony Raw Driver download is not available anymore. Sony Raw Driver has been discontinued since March 2020. So luckily I have it downloaded on my computer, so I will share it with you. So it's this one. I'm gonna upload it on Google Drive. I'm gonna link it below, so you can fix your thumbnails Sony files. Next, accept, next, and then click install. I'm not gonna install because I did install it once, so I'm gonna quit. So after that you're gonna show like this. I'm gonna open it. All good, all good, all good. Yeah, that's fine. So from this thumbnail it's gonna turn out like this. Hope this video was helpful, and please let me know by commenting or liking my video, or together, and subscribe for more video like this, and see you in the next one.